Looking for the best accordions? In this video we look at some of the top 3 accordions on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Schylling Kids Accordion. Pros: a tiny, budget-priced instrument with decent sound quality. Great for those who want to experiment with the accordion. Cons: bellows pleats are made of stiff, reinforced paper. Difficult for smaller hands to manipulate. Only plays in the key of C. Bottom line: a fabulously priced teaching toy that allows beginners to explore accordion in the key of C. At number 2. Deluca Kids Piano Accordion, 17 keys. Pros: more note and chord choices than any other budget-priced accordion. Works for adults, too. Cons: volume may be slightly inconsistent from note to note. This flaw could have to do with the user's piano technique. Bottom line: a great piano accordion with an impressive range of notes and chords. You won't find a better budget-priced accordion. At number 1. HOHNER Panther 3-row Diatonic. Pros: a 3-row accordion with a top-notch sound. Plays in G, C, F and their relative minors. Cons: costs more than any other instrument on our list but is affordable when compared to similar products. Bottom line: a stellar accordion from a reputable manufacturer. The best on the market. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.